Hey there folks, today I'm going to show you how to keep your chickens both active and well fed with some simple DIY feeders. These feeders are not just practical, they're a fun way to keep your flock engaged. First up, let's talk materials. You don't need fancy stuff. Grab some old water bottles, garbage bins, and a few basic tools. The key idea here is to make your chickens work a bit for their food. Trust me, it's great for their health and keeps them entertained. Alright, let's start with the water bottle feeder. Cut a few holes at the base, just big enough for the chickens to peck through. Fill it up with your chicken's favorite feed. Corn, rice, and pellets do the trick. Your chickens will love pecking through those tiny holes to get their treats. Next, the garbage bin feeder. Drill a few holes around the bottom edge and place it on a raised platform. Fill it with feed and watch as your chickens peck away. This setup keeps the feed clean and dry, and it's super easy to refill. And there you have it, folks. 2 smart, simple feeders that'll keep your chickens happy and healthy. Give them a try and watch your flock thrive. Happy farming!